Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about a major new development in the automotive market in Jamaica. Silver Star Motors, the official dealership, the authorized dealer for Mercedes-Benz in Jamaica, has announced that it will no longer provide after-sales service support for grey market vehicles. Grey market vehicles are typically sourced through overseas auctions, independent dealers, or secondary markets rather than through the official dealership channel. Now, this is very interesting because with the internet and all the technology that exists today, you can buy a car directly from a owner who is selling it, who purchased it, and then is reselling it. You can buy cars through various different methods now. So a lot of people are buying cars rather than going through the official dealers. But the dealers have the specialized equipment to train technicians to work on these vehicles. And especially with high-end vehicles, sometimes you need parts that you're not really going to find on the secondary market. You have to buy them from the dealer. Sometimes the dealer doesn't even stock them. They have to import them, and it takes some time. So this is a very interesting move. So guys, let us know what you think. And also, if one car dealership has started this, it's just a matter of time before other car dealerships probably implement something similar. Now, the local car market in Jamaica, or the car market in Jamaica, is changing. A lot of new brands and new cars are coming into the market and are doing very well. So these dealers, or the dealer says they are doing this to protect the brand and and about brand protection, technical standards, and consumer risk. So, guys, let us know what you think. We are going to give you more information on what's happening here. Silver Star Motors, the authorized distributor for Mercedes-Benz in Jamaica, has announced that it will no longer provide after-sales service support for gray market vehicles. Units imported outside the manufacturer's approved distribution network. The move marks a significant development in Jamaica's luxury automotive sector and reflects growing concerns about brand protection, technical standards, and consumer risk. Grey market vehicles are typically sourced through overseas auctions, independent dealers, or secondary markets rather than through the official dealership channel. While such vehicles may appear more affordable at the point of purchase, they often come with hidden complications. According to Silver Star Motors, the recent rise in these imports prompted the company to formally clarify its position. At the heart of the decision is quality control. As an authorized dealer operating under the standards of Mercedes-Benz, Silver Star must adhere to strict requirements involving specialized diagnostic equipment, certified technician training, and access to official parts catalogs. Vehicles not supplied through the approved network may not align with regional specifications, especially in areas such as emission systems, fuel compatibility, and digital security and architecture. One particular concern involves newer European spec engines, including models built to Euro 7 emission standards. These engines are designed for ultra-low sulfur fuel and tightly regulated environmental conditions. Jamaica's fuel composition and climate environment may not consistently meet those requirements, potentially leading to performance issues or mechanical failures. In such cases, the manufacturer must not authorize warranty support, leaving the local dealership unable to intervene. There are also restrictions involving security-sensitive components, such as engine control units and digitally programmed ignition systems. These parts are often VIN locked and can only be ordered through authorized channels. for vehicles officially registered within the manufacturer's system. Grey market imports may therefore face parts access limitations, making repairs difficult or impossible within the authorized workshop network. For consumers, the implications are clear. Buyers of grey market Mercedes-Benz vehicles may face higher long-term ownership costs due to the absence of manufacturer warranty coverage and restricted servicing support. Additionally, some units may originate from salvage auctions or accident write-offs, increasing the risk of undisclosed damage histories. By contrast, vehicles purchased through Silver Star Motors come with full manufacturer-backed warranty protection, certified servicing, and guaranteed access to engine parts. The company maintains that its policy is not about limiting consumer choice, but about preserving brand integrity and ensuring customers receive the premium ownership experience associated with Mercedes-Benz. In summary, Silver Star Motors' decision reflects a strategic effort to safeguard technical standards, maintain brand prestige, and protect authorized customers. While gray market imports may offer short-term savings, the dealership stance underscores the long-term value of purchasing through official channels in Jamaica's evolving automotive market. All right, guys, that's the end of the update. Very interesting. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below.